Boolean operators are actually a lot easier to understand than you might think because there's things that you use in your everyday life all the time without even thinking about it. I'm going to use some of our favorite childhood friends to illustrate. Say you decide that you want to go to lunch, and you want to go to lunch with Kermit and Elmo. That means that you're going to be going to lunch with both Kermit and Elmo. The and means both must be present at lunch. What happens though if you only have room for one of these friends in your car? You don't mind which one, either one is fine. You would say to yourself that you're willing to go to lunch with Kermit or Elmo. Or means either. Getting back either one as a search result would be fine. In this case, going to lunch with Kermit or Elmo would be fine. So what would you do if you know that there's someone that you do not want to go to lunch with? You would use the Boolean operator not. In this example, let's say that you know you want to go to lunch with Kermit and Elmo. Kermit and Elmo means that you're going to go to lunch with both of them. But you do not want to go to lunch with... You don't want to go to lunch with Darth Vader. All that I am your father talk is such a downer, and you're just not in the mood for it. So you would use the Boolean operator not to say that you do not want to have lunch with Darth Vader, and that way he'd be guaranteed not to come along. So easily, that is the Boolean operators and, or not.